Today, I'm going to show you how to get appointments from Google Sheets right here and add it into your Google Calendar. As you can see here, we have the essentials in terms of fields. We have 10 rows of data. We want to add it to here and here in those 2 days. Now, we had stuff like all day events. We have whether it's a private event. We have a lot of stuff here. These are really the essentials that we'll need. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Google Apps Script to do this. I'm going to make sure to give you an example that you can use. So this is relatively easy and painless. So right here, we want to go ahead and rename our project, just whatever, add to Kyle is what I'm calling it. You don't have to call it that. It won't affect anything. Right there's where we normally put code. We're just going to put the full code in here that I give you in the video description. And so right here, we want to put in our email address that's associated with our calendar that we want. So right here, we're adding a new column J, and it's going to say imported on. That's going to be the name of the field. That tells us that we've already added the row to our calendar, so we don't re-add it. Now here, we're just going to bold column J's header if the other fields are bolded. Otherwise, it'll leave it alone. Now right here, we have all of our variables. We're going to give them slightly different names, but they correspond to the letters there. So 0A, B1, and so on. So we had that imported right there. So if there's a stamp for that row of imported, we'll go ahead and skip and we won't add it. Otherwise, we'll add it to the calendar. Pretty simple there. Now there's some other functions here, but you could use ChatGPT. That's a lot of people do now. I won't bore you with those details, but if you have questions, let me know. And I will try to add a more common version in the video description just in case. So what we want to do here is go ahead and save this. I want to be able to run this. So let's go over and click on Run. And you'll likely get something like this. Go ahead and click on Review Permissions. And I'm going to click on the email address there associated with the accounts. Now, this looks scary, but it's not as bad as you might think. So just go ahead and go to that. Even though it says unsafe, we're just basically trusting ourselves here. So go ahead and select all there and go ahead and hit Continue. And now it should execute and the script should add the appointments to our Google Calendar. So let's go and check it out. Let's check out the spreadsheet first. So you can see that each row has an imported part there. And you can see it's been added to each calendar. So let's do a test here. Let's get rid of that doctor appointment here. And let's get rid of imported for that row. And let's see if we can re-add it just to see how this works. All right, now let's go back here and let's run it. And so sometimes when you do this, you won't see it right away. It just takes a couple seconds. So maybe about 5 seconds or so, you'll see it. So there you go right there, 2:15, you see the doctor appointment. So it did re-add it, which is great. Now, let me know if you have any questions about this. I tried to do this pretty quickly so you can just get it up and running, but feel free to ask questions if you have them. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and take care.